Hello guys! It's another video today and we're here at Terminal 1 Changi Airport Bus Stop kasi pupunta tayo ng Malaysia. Oh, biglang nandyan na tayo. So, today, ikikwento ko sa inyo kung paano kayo makapunta from Singapore going to Malaysia. Showing you lang pala this antique stuffs dun sa hotel na natulugan namin sa Johor Bahru. And iniwan lang namin yung luggage, kumain kami sa McDonald's, and then nag-withdraw na rin ng pera. Chill muna tayo guys kasi pagod na. Going back dun sa kwento natin for today's video, yes po, pwedeng mag-bus from Singapore going to Malaysia. And in our case, nagmula nga po kami sa Changi Airport. So yung bayad po sa bus is 11 SGD per adult tsaka 5 SGD for 5 years old and below. Since walk-in po kami, they only accept cash payment dun sa bus na nasakyan namin. If you want to use card, you have to pre-book your ride sa mga online platform like easybook.com. And take note as well, they only accept exact amount sa pagbayad nyo o pag-akyat nyo doon sa bus kasi hindi sila nagbibigay ng change. After you pay it, the driver will issue you a ticket which you have to keep because you will need it later on. The travel time is 30 minutes to 1 hour going to Woodlands. This is where you will have to pass the immigration. So basically, exit na po kayo sa Singapore nito. So pagdating ng Woodlands, all the passengers kailangan ng bumaba para magpa-clear sa immigration. And you have to bring all your luggages din po pagbaba nyo kasi yung bus mag-aantay doon sa bus area for maximum of 15 minutes lang. So if in case matagalan kayo sa immigration, hindi na po maghihintay yung bus sa inyo. After 15 minutes, aalis na po talaga yung bus. Like in our case, yun nga po yung nangyari. Nagkaroon ng issue sa pag-scan ng face ng anak ko na si Asher. So it took us more than 15 minutes para makalabas sa immigration, mag-exit sa Singapore. Super stressful po talaga yung time na yun. But finally, thank you Lord, na-clear din siya. And another thing, we had to wait more than an hour pa para dumating yung same bus company na nasakyan namin. I had to call them several times since sinabi nila 15 minutes darating yung next bus pero hindi po. More than 1 hour po yung naantay namin para makarating yung next bus. And this is where it's important you have to keep your ticket kasi ipipresent nyo lang to sa same bus company na nasakyan nyo and then papasakayin na kayo nila without paying any extra. So after that, it will take about 20 minutes to arrive finally in Johor Bahru kung saan magpapaklear na kayo sa immigrations ng Malaysia. And for us, it's almost dark now when we arrived, so we decided to stay for the night kasi yung travel time from Johor Bahru to KL is about 5 to 6 hours. And then, yun na nga, the next day, we went to Larkin Central to book our bus ride. It's 40 ringgit per person. Mag-ingat din po kayo sa mga taong nag-offer ng help doon kasi baka ipapirate kayo na mag-book kayo sa kanila and will cost you more pa. And finally, we arrive here in Kuala Lumpur, safe and sound. So see you on my next video. Bye!